This is Corsair's new Galleon keyboard. It has a built-in Stream Deck Plus. So you've got a bunch of options here. You can set up a ton of macros. You can do stuff for your studios. You can even set up macros to do in-game actions. Of course, you've got the same stuff up here for the knobs. You can adjust all sorts of stuff, music, lighting, anything you want, however you want to set it up, you can put it there. Another really cool thing, they actually set up a marketplace for profiles for this keyboard. So you can even download pre-made profiles from other users, from Corsair themselves, in order to have a preset built-in profile where all you do is you download it, and you have all the keys, you have all the macros, everything set up, whether it be Spotify, Discord, in-games. The sky's the limit. Some of them are free, some of them are built in, and then ones from users could be free or they could charge money for it. So if you make a cool profile or if you find a cool profile, you can put it on the marketplace or you can download it from the marketplace and have your Stream Deck set up right there with no extra effort.